Hello, good morning everyone. In the previous class case, it is discussion about what is the concept of what is the meaning of electric current and what is the classification of electric current and what is the SI of a electric current and formula. And one more concept is that concept is also last class is discussed that is drift velocity. What is the definition of drift velocity? Drift velocity means it is the average velocity acquired by the electron in presence of what? Electric field. What is the meaning of electric field? The force acting for unit positive charge is called electric field. The electric field means it is the force acting for unit positive charge is called electric field. That means the drift velocity, that is the symbol of the drift velocity is V sufficient D. V sufficient D. That is the symbol of the drift velocity. Drift velocity. It is also velocity. Velocity means the rate of change of distance. That is called velocity. That means the drift velocity means the average velocity acquired by the electron in presence of a electric field line. That is called drift velocity. What is the equation of drift velocity? By using a experience force, the force of each electron and the acceleration of a electron. By using these definitions, finally we'll get the drift velocity Vd is equal to minus E small e capital E by m into relaxation time. That is, this is the expression for the drift velocity of a electron. That is, the V sufficient is called drift velocity. The E is called charge of each electron. E is called electric field line. M is the mass of the electron. That is T is the time. That is, the negative sign is indicates that the electrons is traveling a one end to another end of a conductor. This is the concept of drift velocity. The one more concept is mobility. Mobility. What is the meaning of? That is the symbol of mobility is nu. That is the nu. This symbol is called nu. That is the mobility means the ratios of the drift velocity acting for unit positive charge. The mobility is defined as the ratios of the drift velocity is acting for unit electric field line is called drift velocity. The SI unit of mobility is meter square volt inverse second inverse. Meter square volt inverse and second inverse. This is the concept of mobility. Today this is a discussion about, that is a very important concept, that is a 5 mark and a 3 marks question is very important. What is the expression for current in a conductor? What is the expression for current in a conductor or what is the relations between current? What is the symbol of current? That is I. What is the relation between current and drift velocity? Drift velocity. That is the means the current or the symbol of the current is capital I. The symbol of the drift velocity is, that is a V sufficient D. What is the relation between I and Vd? Or to derive the expression for current in a conductor. Conductor, what is the meaning of conductor? The number of charges is flows easily in any material. That is the substance. Conductor and insulators, that is also the both are the materials, substance. It is a substance. The number of charges is flows easily. That is called conductor. What is the examples of the conductor? That is a wire, a human body, earth, iron. These are when a current is flows very easily. Insulators means what? What is the insulator? It is also substance. The current does not flows easily. Example: wooden block, wood, plastic, glass, alva. That is the examples of the insulators. That means my question is find the current in a conductor. That is find the capital I, or what is the relations between the current and drift velocity. I will take as a better example is wire, conducting wire. That is the shape of the conducting wire is, that is a cylindrical shape. The cross section of a wire, that is it is consist of two ends of a wire conductor. That is the one end. The one more end is, this is called one more end. Okay, now the total length of a conductor is, that is a small l. The length of a conductor is small l. The area of a, that is capital A, is the area of a cross section of a what, each end of a cylinder, and the two ends it is connected to the battery. That is the two ends of a is wire is, that is connected to the one end is connected to the positive of the battery, the other end is connected to the negative of the battery. That is a positive and negative is the potential V, that is a battery potential difference, voltage. Then the number of electrons is present, E is called electron. The electron is travels, that is the one end of a wire to other end of a wire, that means conductor. The speed of the electron is, that is drift velocity, that is Vd. Speed, that is the rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance of a electron, that is the speed of the each electron is Vd. According to the definition of drift velocity is in presence of electric field line E. E is called the presence of a electric field line is E. Then the current flowing through the in this conductor is capital I. Capital I is the current flowing through the in this circuit. This is the diagram and explanation of a what current in a conductor. How to derive in this expression? Let the Vd be the drift velocity of the free electrons by using a basic definition of a density or n or small rho both are same. N and rho is the both are density. In basic definition of a density is mass by volume. That is I will taken as capital M can be taken as, that is capital N. Why? That is N means the total mass of the electron. M is the mass, capital N means total mass of a what? Conductor. Total mass of conductor, not conductor, electron. And volume means what is the length of a conductor, that is L. What is the area of each what is the area of the conductor, that is A. That is called volume. Volume means that is the length into breadth into height. That is according to the basic definition of density is mass by volume. The total mass of a electron, that is taken as capital L. In this diagram shows what is the definition of volume, that is the length of a conductor and area of a cross section of a conductor, that is L into A. That is the density. First to write the density of each electron is given by the density of each electron is given by, that is density symbol, that is a small n or rho. N is equal to capital N by L into A, or the total number of electrons in the given volume. The total number of electrons in the given volume, that is the cross multiply, that is N is equal to small n into LA. Small n A n L A. That is the total number of electrons are present in this volume. And what is the total charge of the conductor? Next step is what is the total charge? The total charge of a conductor. The total charge of a conductor is, that is the Q is equal to the Q, that is Q is the total charge. The charge of each electron is E. Small e is called charge of each electron, as it is into total number of electrons. Total number of electrons in the volume, or Q is equal to E into the total number of electrons in the volume is NLA. This equation is called, that is the total charge of a in this conductor. Q is equal to E is the small e is called that is the charge of each electron, small n is the density of the electron, L is the length of a conductor, A is capital A is the area of the conductor. That is the one equation number, that is the one of the equation, total charge. Then by using a basic definition of electric current, the basic definition of electric current, the basic definition of electric current, that is I is equal to rate of change of charge, Q by T. The electric current, what is the meaning of electric current? The number of charges is flows through the conductor for any time is called what? Electric current. That is the symbol of the electric current is capital I. It is the unit of the electric current is ampere. That is the rate of change of charge is called electric current. The Q is the total charge. Substitute the in equation above equation, that is the I is equal to the E value is ENLA by small t. ENLA by small t, and the total electric current, that is the electric current I is equal to, but see the L is the distance, that is also length of a what, that is a length of a conductor, L by T, that is L by T is called drift velocity. Drift velocity, velocity means it is also velocity, velocity means the distance by time is called velocity, that is called drift velocity. That means substitute the value, the electric current I is equal to En, that is L by T is called Vd into A. That is I is equal to En Vd A, or that is A is the, or I is equal to, that is a En E Vd. This is the expression for current in a conductor, or the I is directly proportional to drift velocity. The current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to drift velocity, where I is equal to current, A is the area of the conductor, N is the density of each electron, E is the charge of the electron, Vd is called drift velocity. Drift velocity. This is the relation between electric current and drift velocity, or this is the also called, this is expression for the current in a conductor. Current in a conductor. Once again listen. First what is the first find the current in a conductor. Conductor means there is the best example is conducting wire, copper wire. That is a first to draw the wire. It is consist of two ends, and the length of a conductor is L. The area of each end of a conductor is A. The current, it is one end is connected to the positive of the battery, other end of a conductor is connected to the negative of a battery. Okay, now the current flowing through the conductor is capital I, and the presence of electric field is E, and the number of electrons are present. It is travels one end to another end, that is the drift. The speed of the each electron is, that is drift velocity. First to write the what is the density of each electron. The density of each electron is small n is equal to total mass of the electron by volume. That is what is the volume of in this diagram? That is the length into area. And what is the total number of electrons in the given volume? That is cross multiply. That is n is equal to NLA. And the total charge of this conductor is given by, now what is the symbol of the charge? That is Q is equal to the charge of each electron is E into NLA. ENLA. By using a basic definition of electric current, what is the electric current? The rate of change of charges. The rate of change of charges is called electric current, that is Q. Q is, substitute the above equation, Q value is ENLA by T, but the length by time is called drift velocity. Drift velocity is also called velocity, that is velocity definition is distance by time, length by time, length in distance, length in meter. Therefore I is equal to ENVD A, or I is equal to ANEVD. That is, the current is directly proportional to VD. That means the I is a electric current, A is called, that is a what, area of the conductor, N is the density of each electron, that is E is the charge of the electron, and VD is called drift velocity. That is the relation between electric current and drift velocity. And one more concept is, that is a current density. Current density, that is also important. 2 mark and 1 mark question is very important. Current density, that is the symbol of the current density is capital J. The current density, it is represented by symbol is capital J. What is the definition of electric? That is the current density means it is a vector quantity. The current is a scalar quantity. The current density is, that is a vector quantity. What is the meaning of current density? The current density is defined as the electric current is acting for unit area. The current is acting or particular area. The current acting for unit area is called current density. That is, J is equal to I by A. I is the electric current, A is called area of a conductor. What is the expression of a current density? Current density, that is J is equal to I, means that is a current, electric current. What is the expression for current in a conductor? The expression for current in a conductor is, what is the area of the conductor? The area of the conductor is A. The charge of each electron is E. The density of a electron is N, and drift velocity is VD, or divided by A. Or that is the area and area, both sides get cancelled. Numerator and denominator is cancelled. Therefore, finally, the current density is equal to NEVD. This is the expression for the current density in a conductor. Current density in a conductor. Then that is A. The J is the current density. N is the density of a charge. E is the charge of the electron. VD is called drift velocity. It is the current density is it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. The current density is a vector quantity. And what is the SI unit of current density? See, in this definition shows the current acting for unit area is called current density. The rate of change of charge is called electric current. The unit of current is what? Ampere. By the unit of area is called meter square. That is ampere per meter square, or ampere meter inverse square. That is the SI unit of current density. This is the concept of current density. The final equation of a current density is J is equal to NEVD. Okay, now then next one is Ohm's law. Ohm's law. This is the experiment is there. Your laboratory purpose. One of the experiment is there. By using a Ohm's law, find the resistance for unit length. That is the Ohm's law experiment. Or laboratory experiment. This one is one of the experiment. Okay. Next concept is Ohm's law. OHMS. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. See, in the previous expression is current in a conductor. See, in this diagram shows the current flowing through the conductor. The current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference of a two ends of a conductor. Okay, now the all physical quantities, that means temperature, pressure, and volume, and other all physical quantities are constant. All physical quantities of a temperature, that means temperature, pressure is a constant. That is the statement of Ohm's law. This diagram is also the current flowing through the conductor. It is also depends on the Ohm's law. That means the potential difference, V is called potential difference, is directly proportional to the current. Is directly proportional to the current. That is the statement of Ohm's law. First statement. Statement. What is a statement? According to the law states that at constant temperature, temperature means there is the hotness of any particle, any body. The hotness of a body is called temperature. Today, what is the room temperature? What is the weather? There is today weather. What is the temperature of the today and temperature? It is used to measure the SI unit of temperature is degrees Celsius. So, okay. That is the constant. It is a physical quantity. Temperature is also physical quantity. It is one of the part of fundamental quantity. At constant all physical quantities, the current flowing through the, see in this diagram, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to what? Potential difference across the ends of the conductor. That is the statement of a Ohm's law. Important. The Ohm's law concept is also important, very important. 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark. According to the law states that at constant temperature, the current is flowing through the conductor. The current flowing through the conductor. Conductor means wire. Conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. Is directly proportional to potential difference. That means that is potential difference is the V is proportional to I, or V is proportional to I is proportional to V. Both are same. That is the statement of a Ohm's law. Best example is in previous derivation, current in a conductor. Okay, now that is one of the experiment. Okay, that is the statement. That means at constant physical quantities, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of a conductor. That is a statement. That is the equation is V is proportional to I. V is called potential difference. I is a electric current, or V is equal to or I. When you remove the proportionality, the R is a constant. That is called resistance. Or what is the meaning of resistance? The resistance is equal to the potential difference acting for unit current is called resistance. Flow of charges. The resistance means the flow of charges in a conductor, that is called resistance. It is an electronic device. Resistance is a electronic device. Resistor is a electronic device. Okay, now resistor. It is consist of number of colors. Find the, that is the unit of how to find the value of a resistance. Resistance means that is a constant. It is a physical quantity. Resistance or resistor. Resistor, what is the meaning? Resistor. Resistor is it is a electronic device. Resistance means it is a what? That is a physical quantity. Therefore, the V is proportional to I. The potential difference is directly proportional to electric current. The V is equal to Ri, or R is equal to, that is a V is equal to Ri. The R is a constant, proportionality constant, that is a resistance. That constant is called resistance, or the resistance means the rate of change of that is a ratios of potential difference per unit current. Potential difference for unit current, that is called resistance. How to prove the Ohm's law? Verification of Ohm's law. That is a how to prove V is equal to I. Prove that V is equal to IR. Consider the same diagram. The conductor. This is a conductor. It is a conductor is consist of two ends. It is a current flowing through the conductor. It is a positive and it is a potential difference. The length of the conductor is small l. The area of a conductor is small a. The current flowing through the conductor is E. The number of electrons are present. The speed of each electron is Vd in presence of electric field line. Okay, now First, that means there is a conductor. What is the current in a conductor? That is current in a conductor. That is a current in a conductor means I is equal to the density of each electron E, the charge of each electron E, and area of a conductor is A. The drift speed of the electron is, that is Vd. That is called current in a conductor. In previous class, previous derivation, current in a conductor. Current in a conductor. That is I is equal to NeAVd. Okay, now that is called current in a conductor. Okay. Next, what is the expression for drift velocity? Drift velocity, that is the E is a charge of the electron, the presence of electric field is E, the mass of the electron E, the time taken, that is called drift velocity. This is called drift velocity. First to write what is the expression, what is the equation of current in a conductor, what is the equation of drift velocity. Okay, now then this Vd value, that is called equation number 1, that is called equation number 2. The equation 2 in 1 we get. The equation 2 is substitute equation number 1. That is equation number 1 can be written as, that is I is equal to NeA, the drift velocity is E by m into relaxation time. Simplify, that is n into E is E square and area electric field by m into relaxation time. Or n square A, and that is the electric field by using a definition. See, the n square area, the time is take inside of the bracket by m, the electric field is take outside. Why? It is basing a basic definition of a electric field. That is a velocity, that is the velocity, potential difference for unit length. That is the what potential difference, electric field, the force acting for unit, according to the electric field definition is the force acting for unit charge, the force acting for unit positive charge, or according to in this Ohm's law, according to in this diagram states that the potential difference means V by L. Sorry, the electric field means V by L. Substitute the value. The current is equal to N E square A 2 by m into, that is the potential difference by L. Potential difference by L. V is take as it is, the L is take inside of the bracket, that is N E square A, that is N E square A 2 by ml into, that is the potential difference is as it is. Potential difference is as it is. Find the value of potential difference. Reciprocal changes, that is C, V is equal to as the same place, the term is shifted that side, the numerators and denominators is changes, that is the ml by n E square A tau, relaxation time, T, time, into what? That is a current, high. But the ml by n E square A time, that is called constant. That is called constant. Therefore, finally, the V is equal to this constant ml by n E square A time, that is the constant, that is called resistance into I. When or the proportionality, V is proportional to I. Hence the proof. Hence the proof. This is the concept of the proof of a Ohm's law. That means first what is the statement? The law states that, the Ohm's law states that the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to what? Potential difference at all physical quantities are constant. That is V is proportional to I. How to prove V is proportional to I? V is equal to Ri. First, by using the current in a conductor equation. First step. Second step is write the drift velocity equation. Substitute equation drift velocity in equation number 1. Simplify. We will get finally that is V is equal to IR, or V is proportional to I. This is the concept of Ohm's law. Okay, thank you. Continue to next class.